I'm going to show you how to remove scratches off of your eyewear, your reading glasses or your eyeglasses that you have, prescription glasses. I'm going to mention 5 items. It's pretty self-explanatory, and it's everyday items that you probably have at home. Baking soda is number 1, and so what you want to do is you want to make a paste. So the only thing you're going to need to do is the product, and you're going to need like some cotton balls or a microfiber cloth. The great thing about microfiber cloth, it's like a synthetic plastic, and it dries easy, and I feel like that gives you more friction to get the scratch out of the glasses. So either one would be fine, but microfiber is favorable. So we'll do the baking soda first. So what you're going to do is either put 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking soda in water. And you really want to make like a paste. Okay, I dumped a little bit of water out, but you're basically wanting to make like a gooey paste, like toothpaste. So after you make your solution, you want to take your microfiber or your cotton ball, and then you want to go over the scratch in a circular motion, like this, over the scratch. And it's okay to do it for like a couple of minutes. You're not going to hurt anything. As the solution, the baking soda solution, is taking its hold of the scratch, like that. Okay, now as far as the other household items that you can use on the lens of glasses, there's toothpaste that you can use, and it basically works the same way as the baking soda. Sunscreen, now this one is 32 FPS, preferably you want at least 45 FPS if possible. Car wax will work good, same way. Furniture polish, any kind of furniture polish that you have. Now honorable mention is 3M rubbing compound. You can get this at Walmart, on Amazon, or anywhere online, and this stuff is worth its weight in gold. It will remove scratches off of your eyeglasses, but it'll also remove like scratches on your car body, like if the scratches are not too deep. I've gotten multiple scratches off of my car using this. It's wonderful, wonderful stuff. So I hope I helped you. If you have any comments, put in the comment section. Let me know which one of these that you're trying and which one is working. And have a good day.